Starting in October, we as a company change out the seasonal flowers and transition to fall color. These are plants that will bloom and look good all through the winter. We have many flowers that have bright color that pop, such as snapdragons, pansies, and violas, and they will bloom all through the winter. We also put some greenery plants in there, such as cabbage and kale. And these are plants that typically look better after they get a frost on them because it will turn the tips a reddish purple color. So you have a lot of trees that are beautiful in the early fall. Japanese maples there in the entrance here at Inverness Cliffs. Prior to this process, Landscape Workshop provides pictures and color renderings to our clients to collaborate with them to meet their expectations on color combinations and plant choices. Our fall plantings will provide color all the way until the spring install.